Welcome back everybody. So guys, in this class we are just talking about the intro of the canvas. So what are the canvas and how we use them? Basically the canvas are the HTML elements, HTML5 new elements, and we just use the JavaScript to work on them. You will get all other things of the canvas in a later classes. I just want to show you a few things which we just can make using the canvas. You can see that this line, is it interesting, isn't it? Or this one, both are looking awesome. If I just refresh that, now you can see that in this way we just can work using the canvas. So as I said, that canvas is actually the HTML5's element. You can see that this is the canvas, but we have to use the JavaScript for the canvas. Using the JavaScript inside the canvas is not a typical thing because it's really simple to understand. You just really don't need to focus on the JavaScript too much, but I prefer you should know about the JavaScript, by the way. So guys, that's why in the sections of this big course I just placed this canvas course just after the JavaScript to let you know that how we can work together with the HTML5 and the JavaScript. But we're not using a lot of JavaScript. We just need to focus on the X and Y axis, basically the horizontal axis and the vertical axis, the Y axis and the X axis. Okay, both things, actually everything depended on those axes actually for working on the canvas. Just suppose this is a quadratic curve too, and by using that we just can make the quadratic curve, and this was the actually, you can see that this curve is actually the quadratic curve. I just want to show you a few examples. If I just put here the, just suppose I put the 500, save, and now refresh that, you can see that it's changed. So basically you can see that there is no big role of the JavaScript, just like the axis as I told you. Well, not only axis, sometimes you have to focus on the controlling points, sometimes you have to focus on the starting points, the ending points, but everything has axis. Just like the control point has, you can see that the control point X and control point Y, these are the variables, the values of them are there. Okay, control point X, control point Y, control point X, control point Y, ending point X and ending point Y. This element has two control points, and this one has only one control point, X and Y. This one has control point 1 and control point 2, both has X and Y's. So by the way, in this way we just work in a canvas, and we just can design everything, anything, whatever we want, like coloring, like just animating, like just adding images, adding text, or whatever. So guys, in the next class we'll be starting to work on a canvas practically. The starting of the canvas will be really easy to understand, and we'll talk later. Stay tuned. Goodbye.